Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and also one strong and weak stock which can be helpful for tomorrow's trading session. That is going to be January 10th, 2025. In the previous video, we have discussed about Maruti to be strong. This vertical blue line that you are seeing is where we discussed information. Okay, on 7th is what this video is recorded, and you will see that the title of the video is Jan 8th. On Jan 8th, if you are looking, it gave a upward momentum and continued to go up, and on 9th is when it fell, friends. Okay, 8th is where it closed here. This was a momentum about 130 points upwards. Now the target, the final target was given here, that was not achieved, but the first target, which was given somewhere in this area, was achieved. If you look at the call option, okay, on 8th, from here, that is 205, it made a high of 269. So if you go ahead and count, this is a return of about 25%, friends. Coming to weak stock is something that we saw in SBIN. If this vertical line was taken as the start, from there it continuously fell till here, and then there was a good retracement. On 9th, there was one candle where it met all the targets and hit the bottom, friends. Now here, important point that I would like to tell is this was a down move of 1% in SBIN. But if we take the at the money put option, 770 put option, on 8th, it started from around 12 rupees and made a high of 20 rupees, 20.5. Okay, this is a return of about 70%. Okay, and it's currently also trading at around the same amount. So don't expect the complete momentum that you will capture. That will never happen, friends. We are all human beings. We will exit at 20, 30, 40%, not more than that we can capture. Okay, coming to the current video, see, in Nifty, Bank Nifty, what we had discussed weakness. Exactly, weakness is what it showed, and then there was some kind of recovery and again a fall. Today it stopped somewhere here. Now what's important, we will again draw similar kind of patterns here. What we see is, see, this is an important level now. Okay, this green trend line that you see is an important trend line. Once this trend line is broken, you can see a further fall. Now in this case, friends, don't go ahead and sell immediately at the break of this trend line. We will have to wait for a retracement. Now what would be the retracement? For that, we are going to draw our favorite tool, that is Fibo, and here is what we see retracements. So first retracement is this area, okay, 23.6 area, and the second retracement is 38.2 level. That is exactly where we also see a previous resistance. So I would see this as a resistance. If it comes here, we can go ahead and short. There will be a small stop loss, and first target will be somewhere here, second target bottom, and third target we cannot predict, but it can continue to go further down, friends. Now if I am looking at this chart in a daily time frame, okay, you will see that the bottom is almost touched. That's the reason I would say that we should be booking profits at the bottom. We should not be waiting for further downward momentum. Just for the sake of convenience, I am pulling up the chart for Nifty 50 index. Okay, and this, if I am moving on a 1-day time frame, here what do we see? This bottom is lying somewhere here, friends. This is the bottom. After that, we have this particular bottom here, which is at around 23,260 levels. Now see, I cannot be drawing a Fibo from here. The recent bottom that it made was somewhere here. This was in the month of June. Now if I am drawing a Fibo from the recent bottom here to recent top, which is here, okay, the 61.8, that is the last level of resistance, last level of retracement. That's where previous rejection has happened. That is where it can come and make another bottom. That is at around 23,262. I would suggest if this is broken, that's when we will activate our left shoulder, head and right shoulder, and a fall can happen. In that case, you will see this level coming 21,262. Will that level come in one day? No, the answer is no. It will not come in one day. You will have to wait for that levels. You will see big candles forming, not one candle but multiple candles that will form to give you this level. In my opinion, this can be a good place to book profit at the current stage, friends. Okay, coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty chart looks something like this, wherein we on 8th predicted that there will be a fall. There was a proper retracement. If I'm drawing a Fibo from recent top, which is somewhere here, to this bottom here, okay, the retracement was exactly 38.2 levels from where it took its rejection and continued to fall. Okay, now if I'm extending this particular Fibo further downwards, what do we see here? Here we see that it went up for a 50% retracement and continued to fall. At this level, I am not calling this as a double bottom pattern, because usually double bottom, the first bottom will be like this, second bottom will be slightly higher than the first, and it will continue to go down. The first bottom is here and second is slightly higher. In this case, first bottom here and second is slightly lower. So this is not a double bottom pattern. I would not consider this as double bottom pattern. I will draw another Fibo here like this, okay, and wait for 50%, which is somewhere here. Now what do we see at this level? At this level we see previous support. So whenever it was coming here, it took a reversal and it finally broke. After breaking, when it comes to this area again, this will act like a resistance. Good possibility that it can continue its trend downwards. I would also draw this Fibo till the bottom like this, and here what is the 50% level? 50% level is somewhere here. Okay, so even at this level, friends, I would consider the stock to be bearish and not bullish till the 61% level is crossed and a candle or sustainability of this candle is seen. Till then I'll consider it as negative only, and at any breakdown of trend lines, say for example this trend line, that's where we can short. For first target this area, second target this area, and third target will be further downwards. That's what we talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty. Coming to stock of the day. Before we go on stock of the day, if you have liked the content of this channel, please hit the like button. That encourages me to create more videos like this. Also hit the subscribe button if you have still not subscribed to the channel. That will also encourage me to create more videos, educational videos just like this one. Coming to strong stock, I see strength. Again, we are talking about the same stock, which is Maruti. Now in this stock, what do we see? We see a trend line like this, friends. Okay, now this trend line is not yet broken. Okay, this green trend line is not yet broken. Good possibility that it will come and break this trend line. When will we enter? We will enter at a break of this trend line followed by a retest. Now in this case, what will happen is we will enter here and we'll have a stop loss of at least this area. Okay, in my opinion, enter here itself so that your stop loss is small. Even this stop loss can be kept as a stop loss, and you have a big target. Okay, so if you're entering somewhere here, you can expect first target this area, second target this area, third target here, final target will be here. Now if in case market also gives support and continues to come upwards, meaning Nifty, Bank Nifty is also going upwards, then you can see a new all-time high in Maruti. Now reason number 2. For reason number 2, I am drawing another trend line. This is your pole and this is your flag. Now if in case you see it coming till here, friends, don't miss the opportunity to buy. Again, your stop loss will be very low and you will have big targets. We can also buy at 38.2 levels if this flag and pole and flag pattern gives a downward breakout for any reason at around 11,630 area. Okay, if you by chance get the stock, don't miss at all. Your stop loss will be very small, somewhere here, and you can expect first target here and second target this area, friends. Coming to weak stock, we are talking again about SBIN. Okay, in SBIN, what do we see? We see it is in continuous downtrend. Okay, now it has made a big wick in the previous trading session, but it sustained there. Now, good possibility that anyone who had their stop losses in this area would have exited. Now, what will happen? Now, in case if you see a breakout, okay, breakout of this trend line like this, that's when you can go ahead and enter downwards. Why? Good possibility that this is a false breakout. That's what we are suspecting now. Now, just in case if you see that it gives a breakout, we will enter negative side, selling side. Now I am also drawing a Fibo for your convenience. See, this is where it has come multiple times. That is the reason I am selecting this area. To the bottom, bottom is somewhere. See, this candle I am not considering as a bottom. I am considering this bottom. The reason is this was a flick candle wherein all the stop losses got hit. This candle happened only because of Nifty Bank Nifty opening downwards. Now, if in case this comes at this 38.2 levels or even at 50% levels, I will be creating a short position. Okay, in that case, we will have a big target to capture and a small stop loss. Okay, finally, but not less important point, if you see a breakdown of this particular trend line, okay, if I can also go ahead and extend it till here. Okay, if this trend line is broken and you see a retracement, okay, so the breakdown will look something like this, and if there is a retracement, that's when it will also continue to go down. First target will be this area, second target here, final target is very big, friends, 732 area. Okay, now just wanted to keep you posted. This is also a pattern. Okay, this green trend lines that you see are also a pattern. I want you to write SBIN followed by this pattern to give me a clear picture of what the pattern this is, and I'll go ahead and tell you the pattern in the next trading session. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow.